Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to get free Robux. Microsoft team up with Roblox are the latest news when it comes to game of Roblox. That is why you can get free Robux if you have points on Microsoft. So here's what you're going to do to get free Robux. Join for free. First, signing up in easy and free to earn Microsoft Rewards points towards Robux and more. Then after that, earn with Microsoft Edge. Search use with Bing Microsoft, which uses Microsoft Edge on desktop or mobile for 5 days. So if you search on Google, then try Microsoft Bing and get the points on Robux. Then after that, you can get now a Robux up to 100 Robux digital card on Microsoft when you complete a 5-day challenge. So go to Microsoft and get started to get a free Robux today. And that's it. That's how to get free Robux. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.